Hi, welcome to session. Today we discuss about the social studies food security in India. Why is agriculture a seasonal activity? Introduction. India is an agriculturally significant nation. The two-thirds of its population is occupied with the horticultural exercise. India is a agricultural based on the nation. Two-thirds of the population is occupied the horticultural exercises. Farming is an essential movement which creates the vast majority of the food that we devour. Other than food grains, it moreover produces crude material for different industries. Agriculture is the art and science of cultivating the soil, growing crops, and raising livestock. It includes the preparation of plant and animal products for people to use and their distribution to markets. Agriculture provides most of the wool and fabrics. Agriculture is a well established monetary occupation in our nation. Agriculture is the well established monetary occupation in our nation. Over these years, development strategies have changed fundamentally depending upon the attributes of physical, climate, innovative, expert, and social practices. Cultivating changes from means to business type. As of now, various pieces of India, the accompanying cultivating frameworks and regards. India positions second in rural yield and India is in the top 5 situation for around 80% of items delivered from the range. The principal food grain in India is rice, positions second worldwide in the rice creation. Principal food grain in India is the rice. It is the second worldwide in the rice creation. Agriculture has the planting season and a reaping season, which is a bustling period for rangers. The vast majority of the work is finished during these periods. Agriculture is a seasonal activity because the crops are grown in the seasonal based activities. Based on the seasonal, they are providing and cultivating the different types of food products. The agriculture crop year in India is from July to June. That is the agriculture crop year in India, that is July to June. The Indian cropping season is classified into two main seasons. One is Kharif crops, Rabi crops, and Zaid crops. Seasonal crops. Seasonal crops is classified into three. One is the winter season is the from November to April. November, December, January, February, March, April. And the crops grown in this season is called the Rabi crops. Jade crops are summer season crops. They grow for a short time period between Kharif and Rabi crops, mainly from March, April, May, June. The rainy season is from June to October and the crops grown in this season is called as Kharif crops. Rabi, Kharif and Jade, these are all the examples of the products produced. Why are certain crops grown in a particular season? Different types of crops have different requirements to grow well. Some prefer hot and humid climate and others grow well in winter. Some crops strictly require monsoon for their growth, whereas some get destroyed with rainfall. The crops like rice grows well in hot and humid climate, thus are grown in monsoon when the humidity is the maximum with plenty of rainfall. In case of wheat, clear and dry climate with less temperature is required. It is based on the winter when the atmosphere is dry and cold. The major states which are best in agriculture: Uttar Pradesh is the top farming state in India, and bajra, rice, sugarcane, food grains, these are all the other crops for growing in Uttar Pradesh, and also high rate the any other state compared to other state, it is the high rate. It is one of the top 5 states in India along with the Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh. Why agriculture seasonal activity in India? It is based on the conclusion agriculture is the seasonal activity. It is a seasonal based activities. It is most of the work is done during the harvesting time when the plants are growing and maturing. No significant amount of work is there. We are discussed based on the following topics. We are asking some questions. Dash is the art and science of cultivating the soil, growing crops and raising livestock. Why is agriculture important? What is the common food grain in India? Name the types of seasonal crops. Is the top farming state in India? It is the given in the 3 options. Most of the work in agriculture is done during dash time. Thank you.